This 2027 Grand Design Lineage Series VPL-VP2 is a Class B RV. It is located in Las Vegas, Nevada, 89122 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Las Vegas. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 20 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 2. The floor plan layout of this Class B features U-Shaped Dinette. This 2027 Grand Design Lineage Series VPL-VP2 is built on a 3500-159 EXT SHR chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.